So your deal is almost done, but here's the truth. One last step can make or break your closing. The final walkthrough isn't just a checkbox, it's your buyer's last chance to avoid disaster. Miss something here? Those missing appliances, half-finished repairs, or surprise damage? Guess who they'll blame? You. Let's make sure that doesn't happen. I'm Doug Smart, team leader and full-stack developer at Smart Agent Alliance, an eXp Realty sponsor team. We're breaking records by giving agents more free tools, training, and value than anyone else. Stick around today. We're breaking down how to crush the final walkthrough like a pro. What is a final walkthrough and why does it matter? The final walkthrough is the buyer's last opportunity to inspect the property before it officially becomes theirs. It's typically scheduled 1 or 2 days before closing and is all about verification, not negotiation. The purpose? It's simple. Confirm all agreed upon repairs have been done. Ensure the home is in the same condition as when the offer was made. Check that no new issues have popped up since the last time you saw it. And make sure all included appliances, fixtures, and systems are working like they did before. If something's off, this is the buyer's last chance to address it before it's their problem. Setting the right expectations for your buyer. Before the final walkthrough, ensure your buyer understands exactly what it is. Final walkthrough is the last opportunity to check that nothing has changed since the inspection, confirming that agreed upon repairs were completed, ensuring that the seller has removed all their belongings, verifying that everything that was working during the inspection is still working. The final walkthrough is not for finding new problems that should have been caught during inspection or negotiating additional repairs. Make sure your buyer understands this. Setting clear expectations will prevent unnecessary disputes. So who should attend the final walkthrough? The key people who should be present are the buyer agent, and optionally a home inspector. Sellers don't typically attend, and in most cases the home should be empty, since once the seller has moved out, it's easier to spot damage, missing items, or neglected repairs. Alright, so let's go over a final walkthrough checklist. What should you be looking for? To make sure you don't miss anything, here's a must-follow checklist. Verify all repairs were completed. Walk through the list of requested repairs, ask for receipts or proof of work from licensed professionals. Don't just take the seller's word for it, the buyer needs to inspect the work. Ensure personal items are removed. The home should be empty and broom clean. Any personal belongings left behind by the seller should be gone unless otherwise agreed upon. Check locks and windows. Test every door and window to ensure they open, close, and lock properly. Confirm appliance functionality. Turn over the stove, oven, microwave, run the dishwasher. If the fridge was included, make sure it wasn't swapped out for a cheaper one. Yes, this sometimes happens. Test electrical and outlets. Flip every light switch, bring a small item like a phone charger to test outlets, check the ceiling fans, etc. Examine outdoor areas, walk the perimeter, and check for new damage to fences, landscaping, or structures. Ensure any included outdoor items, sheds, playsets, etc. are still there. What to do if you find new problems. So what happens if something isn't right? Maybe the sellers didn't complete a repair, an appliance is missing, or new damage has appeared. Don't panic. Here's what you do for your buyer. Communicate problems immediately. Document everything with photos or videos. Make a list of issues and notify the listing agent ASAP. Explore resolution options. Request repairs. Sellers may agree to fix the problem before closing. Negotiate credits. Instead of delaying closing, ask for a price reduction or seller credit. Hold funds in escrow. If a fix can't be made in time, some money can be held back until it's done. Consider delaying closing. If the issue is major, like significant water damage or non-functioning HVAC system, delaying the closing might be the best move. Negotiate terms if needed. If new problems are found, the buyer has the right to adjust contract terms before finalizing the sale. As an agent, the final walkthrough is your buyer's last safeguard before closing. Be thorough, use a checklist, and speak up if something isn't right. A well-managed walkthrough ensures a smooth closing and a confident buyer. To learn more about eXp Realty and our sponsor team, Smart Agent Alliance, hit that subscribe button, and here are some more videos which should be popping up right about now. Thank you for watching, and see you on the next one.